look at this! Hey, what's up? Look! Balloons! Awesome! Can we pop them? That's the plan! 3, 2, 1, go! I'm winning! You suck, loser! And now for the last one. What? That's a water balloon! My sneakers! Who's the loser now? Okay, how do I look? Hair is great, dress looks good. I think I'm ready. Can't forget my bag. I'll just let them know I'm on my way. Great! This'll be so much fun! Quiet. Gotta be sneaky. The Coke is in place. Now all I need is this candy. Drop them in and stand back. There she blows! Oh my gosh! What's happening? My dress is ruined! Ugh. Hey, I thought you could do with a drink. Later. I'm soaked! No! I can't go out like this! That was a great swim! I'll go for a shower now. Oh, hi! Hey. I'll wash my hair first. Just a little shampoo. La la la. I have a great idea. Looks like she missed a spot. I'll help her. Still soapy. Fine, I'll need to rinse again. She's still washing her hair. Why won't this go away? What? Why? A little more won't hurt. Gotta have clean hair. There's more? Is this shampoo broken? Ugh! Now to turn the water off. See ya! What happened to the water? I can't see! Help! I need water! Here you go. I think that got it all. You're welcome. Come here! I'm out of here! Whoa! Ha! You deserve that! It was funny, right? Yeah, it was. I need to work on my tan. I'll just put on some cream. It seems quiet. Okay. Rub the sun cream all over. Aha! Just where I want her. This is such a relaxing day. I need this. It'd be a shame to ruin her day. I'll have that. Wait, I'm sure I heard something. Must have been imagining it. I got it! I'll just add something a little extra special. Wriggly worms! Yuck, so gross. Perfect. In you go. Don't eat these anymore. Better make sure it's all mixed up. It's ready. Great, she's asleep. Now to put the cream back. Nothing to see here, just a walking plant. Ouch! Who put that there? That hurt. Getting a little sunburn. Better put some more cream on. Huh? There's something in there. What is that? It's a worm! Ah! Got you! Surprise! Woo! Are you okay? It was just a joke. Wake up! Wake up! What am I gonna do? I'm too pretty for prison. Oh look! Another worm! Ah! Phew! I thought you were… never mind. Scared of a little worm. What? Me? No, not at all. This sandwich looks so good. I'll sit here and eat it. Time for some revenge. Just need to sneak under here. I'll tie his shoelaces together. Almost done. There. He'll never notice. Haha. And now for the final part. I'll take that. Come and get it! Give me that! Whoa! I'll get you for that. I thought you'd want some water with your sandwich. Bye-bye! Just you wait. There she is. This book is so boring. Aw, Sleeping Beauty. Now don't move. A little tape here. Don't wake up, please! Gotta be quick. There. Did I use too much tape? Nah. Oh look! A bucket full of cold water! Wakey wakey! Rise and shine! Ah! What's happening? Look what I have! You wouldn't! No! Don't! I would! Hey! It's snowing! Ha! One last sprinkle. You look so pretty. I need to take a photo. Smile! Now to post it. Seriously, this is a good look for you. Is that… Yes, he's asleep. Now I can get some payback. And I know exactly what to do. Boo! Huh? Still asleep. Wait a minute. Got it. This branch will be useful. Tickle, tickle, tickle! Nothing? Wow, he can sleep through anything. Let's try something else. So heavy. We need to talk about dieting. Come on! Phew! I need to hit the gym. I can do this! No, I can't. How much do you weigh? Hey, you okay? Need some help? Amazing! Come here! Got it? Got it! 1, 2, 3! What's wrong with you? Thanks so much, girls! What a great day shopping! Oh, she's coming! Better put this on quickly. Boo! Look at your face! It's me! I hate you! I hate you! A lazy day by the pool. Just what I need. Hey! Hello! Oh my gosh! Ah! Help! I can't believe that worked again! Quit it! That's not funny! Safe at last. He can't get me out here. Boo! You can't escape! That's it! I'm going home! What a day! I can't believe I scared her so many times. I need to tell people. So funny. Hello? Guess what? Yeah, so I hid behind the wall. Her face! Oh, look what's here. And then I jumped out the sea. It was hilarious! Ah, another sunny day. Ooh, I smell bad. Guess I need to change. Don't hurt me! Oh, it's the mask. I wondered where that went. Boo! Mommy! Save me! Leave me alone! Please! Not so funny now, is it? I love this mask! I hate it! Ooh, I need a shower. How would you prank your friends? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one.